Now we go on to a game called Sound Effects. Colin, you're going to improvise a scene, and you have to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Ryan, come and get your microphone. Your scene is, Colin, you're the Lone Ranger, and you find out that outlaws have hijacked a speeding train. Get it? Okay. A lot of points right in this one. Don't blow it. Thank you very much. That was great. I'm going to award points in that game according to shoe size. Congratulations, Ryan.